everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and OMG, have you just not been flipping out lately over these little diamonds that DAC is coming out with? They're absolutely adorable. You can tell because they're labeled here. This one is tiny hairy. It's a 13 inch by 13 inch, which is a 32.8 by 32.8 centimeters. And it's Harry Potter Wizarding World. I'm so excited. This is a round kit, which you can tell right here, all inclusive. And we're going to look in the back and see what's in here. But this box is absolutely adorable. Look at that rainbow shine. It wraps all the way around. This is one of those boxes that you just want to keep. I would just buy it for the box. It does say full diamond canvas area, so it shows here the full canvas. It shows you that there's 20 colors, which includes 2 Aurora Borealis, as we know it, AB diamonds, and 1 fairy dust, and it has over 13,000 diamonds to place. Then on the back, it's going to show you how it works. You press, you pick, and you place. This is super cute for the kiddos in your life, or somebody who is just trying this out, or if you just love Harry Potter. It tells you what it's going to do. We're going to open it up and see what's in here. You get the canvas, you get the diamonds, you get the applicator, the grip, the multi-placer, wax, craft tray, baggies, and inventory sheet with pre-cut sticker labels. Absolutely fantastic. So let's open this up and see what's inside. And with the infamous wrap of Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Here we go. Open this up. You know, even these smaller kits, they do not hold back on the amazing quality. You've got that velvety smooth canvas that they are known for. You have the serged edges, so in case the canvas decides to get a little naughty, it will make sure that it does not unravel. Here we go. We're going to open this up and we're going to see little Harry and all of his cuteness. How adorable is he, and his little scar there and his glasses. Oh my goodness, back here you've got the glass fun stuff that's in the glass for his magic. Over here on the bottom right, you've got your ledger. As you can see, here's your 2 ABs. Anything under 150 is going to be an AB, that Aurora Borealis. And then down here you've got your Z, that's the fairy dust. Okay, and then you've got the same thing up here in the upper left. Down here, you've got your pasting or your canvas where your drills go. And this is your number with Tiny Harry, how big it is, and then all the copyright that you need to know that it's licensed. You have your social media, and you have your lifetime warranty, which I've actually had to use once or twice myself because I have a dog and I have a toddler. So things happen. Things happen. Okay, it is poured glue right here. You can also see how beautifully clear everything is. Let's even look in the dark areas. You can see that clearly. You wouldn't even need a light pad. Okay, here are the drills. You also have this amazing thank you for your purchase. Gives you the how-to, all the fun stuff. Tiny Harry, here are those labels we were talking about as well. Okay, and there is a toolkit. It was just stuck. So here's your toolkit. It's going to tell you it's round and the contents of it. And if we open it up, it's going to have just what it says. It's going to have all your plastic baggies. It's going to have your single placer. As you can see there, the camera's trying to pick up Harry and the placer at the same time. Oh dear. Oh dear. The magic is happening. You've got your multi-placer, which picks up more than one drill. 4, in fact. Your 2 waxes, your squishy to put on your thing, and your clear tray. This is definitely reminiscent of some of the tried and true kits that we have seen in the past, which is fabulous. All right, I'm going to put these away so we can see the drills. Because like I said, Diamond Art Club does not hold back on quality, no matter how big or how small a canvas is. So crinkle, crinkle. And here we go. So this is round. Here's your, there we go. 3770. And here are all the other colors. We've got our 739s. We have our 310s, 898, 353, 838, 728, 902, 3854, 760, 3821, 3863. So here's one of the ABs, 117. Here's number 2 ABs, 132, 927. Here are, let's see. Come on, camera. Come on. Ooh. Where you at? Okay, so you can see a little bit of that fairy dust in there. 632, 3371, 783, and 3853. Now what I like to do is I like to look and see, where are these special drills going to hide, or actually pizzazz it out. So ones that's going to be, let's see, where are the ones? Okay, it's going to be the outline of this jar that I had mentioned earlier to make it really pop out on this tan color. You've got 2s, the 132, so that's going to be up here. It's also going to be in here, and you're going to have it on his crest as well. And the fairy dust is going to be the L's. Let's see, where are those L's? So that's going to be in his wizardy wand. So you're going to get a little sparkle sparkle in that fairy dust. You're going to absolutely love it. So I am super excited to see this Harry series. I can't wait for the rest to come out so I can purchase and have my own collection of Tiny Harry and all his friends. So tell me, which Harry Potter character do you like down below? And I can't wait to see your whips, work in progress, and finishes of the Harry collection. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.